Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and many of you have been asking me when iOS 12 will come out, what information do we know about it, and normally I don't cover rumors, but there seems to be solid evidence that iOS 12 will support devices all the way back to the iPhone 5S. And many of you are concerned, thinking your phone will be outdated, it won't get updates, security updates, and it seems to be that Apple has already been testing iOS 12 on the 5S. And this comes from someone on Reddit had posted that they found some information in the WebKit code. That's the browser engine that powers Safari. So Safari here and Safari on this device are powered by WebKit. Many other browsers use WebKit as well, or used to. And WebKit showed some signs that iPhone 5S is supported for iOS 12 as far as the WebKit version goes. So it's not 100% confirmed, but it seems as though, based on the code that we already know, we're going to go all the way back from 5S, 6, 6S, 7, 8, 10, of course, and the SE, and we'll have iOS 12 and what other features that it might bring to the devices on 5S as far as that goes. I don't have any other information other than that, but I thought I'd share that with you since many of you have been asking, will my phone be outdated? What phone should I get next? You may be able to extend this for another year. Traditionally, Apple has dropped off the previous versions every single year, and it looks like they might not do it this time around. So any device that previously ran iOS 11 may be able to run iOS 12. We'll find out in June when they tell us for sure. I normally don't do rumors, like I said, but if you'd like more videos like this, I'd love to hear what you have to say in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, though, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.